Lynti Kjat Suin ne country river skywalk kan Ieng Mawkdok Shen hakini kisne Suin bat ikani onte hakajinglut kebasan puai penyu Klur. Yakani la pentip dom tang bak kajela konar kesangma ha pukram menta kesengi Mawkdok ka apply tarik ujulio ajal pesan. Kani Lynti Kjat Suin kan jerong 10 meter bat kan yar nyo meter bat kan dai ke bahet tama India ha ka bagi breu kin yo isna yaki tem bat kilum syapo ha jakap kin Ieng nasrok kumbalong menta. Ladep ban khotenda bat yaka kam ladep IT bat kakam kan sat sedang no shen hakin benai ban sawan. Gondar ong bo onda dep ikani kan aji mento yaki paj ba jong isnong ba per kemudian hak teka thai Mawkdok hakaba kin yo ban bu dukan ban dejing de namal ba on swan tu iki toris syakate ka than keleng na keleng gi jaka jong ko ri bat ke perthai.
This is a 51.7 crore project, and there will be a first skywalk in Shillong, in Meghalaya, where people can experience the entire this valley in this area, in Mawkdok area and Lynti area, which earlier they used to just stand on the roadside. Now people can go up, and this is how the place will look. And of course, apart from the skywalk, there will be other areas of cafeteria, shops to be run by local people, and different facilities and amenities for the tourists, including parking lot. And of course, many activities will take place out there. Just to share with all of you, the tendering has been done, the work has been allotted, and we expect the work for this to start. I think the rainy seasons are quite difficult, so I expect that maybe in a month's time or 2 months' time, the mobilization will take place, and we should be able to complete this soon. This is a bridge is about 40 meters. The cantilever is about 7 meters wide, and it will be one of the longest cantilever bridges in the entire country. So that's what this project is. And as I said, this is for the development of tourism, which we have been promoting and promising to the people of the state. Many things have been happening, but this is going to be a major, important game changer for not just that village, but the entire region out here, this entire area. This will be a very, very big project. So I just wanted to share this good news also with all of you.